Creating professional thumbnail with tools like Canva, Photoshop, and all these things takes a hell lot of time. What if I will tell you that I have found a new AI YouTube thumbnail generator that create professional looking thumbnail for you in just one click. Sound interesting, right? So this tool name is Thumb Magic, and you can try this tool absolutely free by clicking on the special link given in the video description. Just go and check it out. When you will click on the special link given in the video description and create your free account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here you just need to click on this create thumbnail button. Okay, when you will click on it, then here it will give you three different options. Suppose if you have already created a YouTube video, then you can paste YouTube video link and you can create thumbnail for your YouTube video. And suppose if you have recorded your video, then that you can directly upload that video here. It will read the transcript of your video and then it will create the best thumbnail for your video. Okay, and suppose if you have transcript of your video, then you can upload it here and it will process this transcript, and based on your transcript it will generate the best thumbnail for your YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to use this first one, which is YouTube. I have created this particular video like how to find slow loading WordPress plugins, okay, to speed up the WordPress site. So I want to create a thumbnail for this particular video which has 4K plus view. If I will change the thumbnail, then maybe I will get more clicks and views. Okay, so let's copy the link of this video and I'm going to paste this video link here in this tool called Thumb Magic. Okay, and let's click on process video button. So in the next page it is saying that no avatar available. Create your first avatar to use the default avatar to generate the thumbnail. Suppose if you want to use your face on your thumbnails, then you need to create a avatar. Okay, so let's click on create an avatar and let give me it a name like it's my name, Sumit Saw, and it is saying that I need to upload my photo and my photo should be front facial, good lighting and face visible, and maximum of 10 MB. So let me click on browse file and I'm going to upload this particular photo of mine. Okay, and I have given this avatar a name called Sumit Saw. Okay, obviously it's my name, and let's click on create avatar. So as you can see, our avatar has created successfully and I have selected this particular avatar to generate my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I want my face on my YouTube thumbnail, so that's why I have selected this particular avatar. Okay, and here are some default templates, like which type of template I want to use. So I think this one is looking good, so I'm going to select this one and let's click on generate thumbnail button. And as you can see, it is analyzing my video content. Okay, it is reading the transcript of the video so that it can generate the best thumbnail for me, and it is creating 3 thumbnail variants for me and estimate time is 20 seconds. So let's wait for some time. So as you can see, it has created 3 thumbnail for me. First one is this, second one is this, and third one is this. And I want to mention that yes, this person is looking exactly like me. So I have uploaded this pic as an avatar, and as you can see, it has generated the thumbnail with exact same face. So this is a good thing. And yes, this all thumbnails are good. And if I want to customize it further, then what I can do, I can click on edit with AI. And suppose if I want before after type of thumbnail for this particular thumbnail, then what I will do, I will select this before after thumbnail template and I will click on generate thumbnail, which will cost me 1 credit. And as you can see, it has generated a very good thumbnail for my video. Okay, all these thumbnails are looking good. In my opinion, the last one, this one is looking much better and I can use it as my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so in this way you can generate attractive and professional looking thumbnail for your YouTube videos with the help of Thumb Magic AI YouTube thumbnail generator. If you want to try Thumb Magic yourself, then a special link is in the video description. By clicking on that link, you can create your free account and you can test this Thumb Magic tool yourself to decide if it is good for you or not. So if I talk about Thumb Magic pricing, then as you can see, Thumb Magic costs just $11 per month for generating 100 thumbnails per month. As you can see, pricing is very less as compared to other similar AI thumbnail generator like Pixels AI. I can say that it is a very good alternative of Pixels AI thumbnail generator, because it will cost you just $11 per month, and by paying $11 per month you can create 100 thumbnail per month. Okay, you are going to get 100 credits per month, and creating one thumbnail cost 1 credit in Thumb Magic. So it means that you can create 100 thumbnails per month by paying just $11 per month. So if you want to try Thumb Magic AI absolutely free before paying for any plan, then special link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and try it yourself before committing to any of its paid plan. Okay, link is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.